Boo! Hello everyone, my name is Iqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what is this video about? It's about carving things. Well, not things, pumpkins. I hope this transition works. I don't know. I also have some little punchkin mumpkins. No, not munchkin pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin munchkins. Munchkin pumpkins. Nice. Fun fact, pumpkins are called kaddu in Hindi or Urdu, whatever you want to call it. My parents used to make a lot of kaddu dishes, but I don't really like the taste of it, so didn't eat it. But that's a random fun fact for you. This is actually a vegetable that people eat. You know, it's not just for carving things and then throwing it away. What I am thinking of doing is, I've seen this video on YouTube. It has like 11 million views. It looks really cool. So I'm going to try recreating that because I have no originality. It's a pumpkin eating a smaller pumpkin. I don't know if that's cannibalism. I don't support cannibalism unless it's absolutely necessary. No, this is not an official statement about me talking about cannibalism. This is just me carving a pumpkin, eating a pumpkin. That's all this video is about. Don't take it too dark-heartedly. Ugh, okay. If you haven't noticed already, I'm wearing a beanie. That's because my hair is all messy and oily. Also, it's raining outside, so I thought I wouldn't be able to film because all I rely on is natural sunlight, and that wasn't there. And I thought, let's make a Halloween video. Who needs sunlight? Who needs light for a Halloween video? So here I am. I don't really celebrate Halloween. I don't even know why Halloween is celebrated. All I know is that it has something to do with dressing up, eating candy, carving pumpkins. It also has like a spooky element to it, as far as I can say. Something related to ghosts and jack-o'-lantern. I don't know. You might ask, Iqrah, do you believe in ghosts? To that I might say, I'll let them decide that for me. You may also ask, Iqrah, do you believe or follow a religion? To that I would say, none of your business. Finally, you may ask, Iqrah, can you stop blabbering and get on with the video? To that I would say, aye aye, Captain.
Right, so let's get pumpkin carving. What you need is a huge pumpkin. This is going to be our main pumpkin. Then 2 tiny little ones, Sharpie to guide us through, and a bunch of tools like knife, whatever that is, spoon, anything you can find. I'm starting off by taking the sticker off because we don't want any obstruction. Then we're just gonna use the Sharpie to draw a circle for the opening of the pumpkin so that it can help us take out all the gut. Then I kind of just went in with the knife. Now this is not the right kind of knife that you should be using for this sort of step. I was being cheap and lazy, so I kind of made do with whatever I had. But don't do that. This is only for entertainment purposes. If you're underage, do not use a knife without supervision. Also, just don't follow me because I was setting myself up for failure. It worked, but it was the worst possible way of doing it. I could easily create a bloodbath and recreate one of those Game of Thrones episodes. Speaking of which, this step made me feel like I was stabbing flesh, so that was kind of weird. Also, the more you stab, the more stinky smell comes out of the pumpkin. I don't know why pumpkin smells so bad, but yeah, just a little first-hand experience footnote there for you. I had to struggle a bit to get this thing out. A few stabs and nudges were needed. But after a few push and pull, it was finally out. This is the big reveal. Yucky, yucky, yuck. I like touching it though. It was a good consistency. I went straight in and got my hands dirty. Next was just cleaning all the gut out. I first went on with the lid. I wanted to see if it would fit. First scraped off all the gut, then scraped it with a spoon. I think this method worked out really well. Now when I tried to put it back, it's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle, but if you turn it around enough number of times and be a little patient with it, it works. Now this is the last stage of cleaning the pumpkin from the main body. And ta-da! Finally done. Now, this is where I messed up. I don't know how the switcheroo happened, but from this point onward, whenever I thought I was starting the recording, I was stopping it, and whenever I was stopping the recording, it was actually starting. So now I have a bunch of skip steps, clips where I'm not even showing the camera what I'm doing. What I basically did was Sharpie out a mouth shape big enough for a pumpkin to fit in, and then carve teeth. It's just better to follow the video that I was copying. I should quit YouTube because I clearly don't know how to YouTube. The teeth is the main element of this carving experience, so as long as you can get that sorted out, even like a little decent looking, that's all that matters. I couldn't carve the little pumpkin, it was too thick skinned, so I just kind of drew a face on it and called it a day. Now, this is where the video was supposed to end, but by this time, Halloween was already over, so I thought, why not just go the extra mile and try pumpkin painting as well? So that's exactly what I did. I used black paint so that it doesn't show during nighttime. The painting would show through during daytime, and the carving, the light orange skin, and the hollow bits would show during nighttime. I just did a bunch of random patterns. I think the design was really cool, and also the whole process was very therapeutic. Time for the final reveal! Na 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 na. Ooh. Ah. La la. Ooh. Na 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 na. Hope you enjoyed this. Okay, that's all from me. Bye.
Whoa! Dude, this is so cool. This is like a zero budget, cool setup. All I'm doing is moving forward and backwards, and this is creating such a cool illusion. Maybe it's something to do with autofocus. I don't know. But I'm having a lot of. Oh, let me try this. Okay, wait. Hope this works. Wait. Boo! Now I'm just like a floating head. It's so hard to like not look at myself, but I know it's working. Nice, okay. Enough of this.